Nikhil? Bro, what the hell are you doing? What was that?
I lost everything, bro.
Gambling?
No, people.
But that day, you saved me. Now, what happened?
Yes, bro. I saved you. I also saved many people. I helped many people. I borrowed money to save life. Now it's time to pay back. Tomorrow they're coming to take my house.
Good.
Good? What good?
I think it's my turn to save you.